friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making breaded pork chops in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, we need pork chops, eggs, breadcrumbs, and seasonings. I'm going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So I'm going to whisk 2 eggs in a bowl. These eggs are going to be used for dipping the pork chops. And now I'm going to put breadcrumbs on a plate. And next I'm going to season pork chops on both sides. And also I'm going to take out the air fryer basket. So once I prepare breaded pork chops, I will put them in the air fryer. So let's season the pork chops. So just sprinkle the seasonings. This is salt. Pepper. And garlic powder. And now I'm going to flip the pork chops over and season them on the other side. So now I'm going to dip pork chops in egg, breadcrumbs, and put in the air fryer basket. But before I do that, I'm going to spray the air fryer basket with a non-stick cleaning spray just so they don't stick to the air fryer. If you'd rather not use the spray, you can also brush the air fryer basket with vegetable oil. So I'm going to now take a pork chop and dip an egg on both sides. And then dip in breadcrumbs on both sides. And put the pork chop in the air fryer basket and repeat with remaining pork chops. So now the breaded pork chops are in the air fryer basket. So let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 12 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to carefully flip the pork chops so they cook evenly. And now let's put the air fryer basket back in the air fryer and let the pork chops finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these breaded pork chops. They look amazing with crispy brown breading. Looks so good. Now I recommend checking the internal temperature of the pork chops just to make sure they're cooked. It should be at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So just checked. Yep, that's over 160, so mine are fully cooked. If yours are somehow not cooked, just put it back in the air fryer, 400 degrees for an additional 3 minutes or so. So just keep cooking until they're cooked through. So now mine are cooked, so I'm going to take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look at these pork chops. And it was so quick and easy to make. I'm so excited about trying them now. Let's try it. I'll just cut it so you can see inside. See, it's fully cooked. Looks amazing. And now let's try it. So tender and delicious. You're going to love these air fryer breaded pork chops. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for easy air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!